What's up, guys? You are here live with MVI, and today I'm going to bring to you our new HD camera interface for the 2022 to 2026 Silverado and GMC Sierra. Basically just like the IntelliHaul 3.0, except for no on-screen interface. This one actually accesses a little bit easier just by hitting that home button. You're going to go straight to the camera instead of doing it in a separate icon. This customer did elect to do the parking lines. Those are optional. They do not have to be there. Going to reverse to drive. It's going to act the exact same. So reverse, then to drive. Just like you're parking the truck, guys, in a parking spot. It's going to come on automatically for you. And now we'll go ahead and get on the road and show you what this is like. Basically the same thing. Press and hold that while you're going down the road. And no more messing with the touch screen. Just go ahead and go straight to the camera. Super nice, crystal clear HD image. And again, those lines do not have to be there. So those are only upon request. As usual, for more information, give us a ring. Hit us up on the website. Be happy to help you out. Thanks so much.